Okay, this is our next lesson about commonly confused words. So this is the same people that made the PowerPoint from yesterday, so it'll kind of look familiar. So these are very commonly confused words. There, and there. I know that many of you struggle to figure out which one of these to use, so we're going to do a little bit of review and talk about it today to help you to have a better idea of how to choose the right word. Using there, and there. First of all, they apostrophe re is a contraction that means they are. Their is a possessive pronoun, can be used as a possessive adjective. And then there names a place that isn't here and is often used with linking verbs like there is, there are, there was, there were. So going back up to they apostrophe re, this is a contraction for they are. So when you're deciding whether this is the one you should use, you should say the words they are for your word, in your sentence, to see if it makes sense. If it makes sense, if you change there to they are, then you need to use the contraction they apostrophe re. Their is a possessive word. It shows ownership. It's going to tell what someone owns, their house, their pet, their shoes, their backpack, their clothes, okay? It's always going to tell what they have. It's going to show possession. There names a place that isn't here. And it is a location word, like there is the house. There are my friends. So it's almost like you're pointing out something. Okay. There's also used as an adverb, answering the question where. Where is the house? The house is over there. So these are the three forms, and each of them are used in a very distinct way. So you just have to figure out which form you need depending on your sentence. Are you really saying they are and you want to use the contraction? Are you trying to show that somebody owns something? You're going to use their. Are you pointing out a location or place? Then you're going to use there. Okay, like yesterday, it's just some little fun examples, trying to figure out which one is correct. So all three sentences are the same. They're never going to catch that dog. So in order to figure out which one is correct, we have to look at each example. So their is possession. Is it showing ownership? They're never going to catch the dog? No, it's not. So we know A is incorrect. They're never going to catch that dog. This is a contraction. So to make sure this one's right, you change it to they are and say the sentence again. They are never going to catch that dog. Is that right? Yes, it is. The contraction is correct because you can say they are never going to catch that dog. And obviously C is incorrect as well. All right, look at the next example. When they tried lifting the piano, their groans could be heard for miles. All right, so you're going to look at their groans, okay? Their groans, their groans, their groans. If we look, we can quickly eliminate the contraction they apostrophe re, because we wouldn't say, when they tried lifting the piano, they are groans could be heard for miles. That doesn't make any sense at all. So we're not going to choose B. So we either have their groans showing something someone owns, possession, or their groans showing location. So the answer would be C, their groans. The groans belonging to them, possession. Okay, next one. Did you know that there are scorpions that are as long as 12 inches? Yuck. Okay, now we're going to look at the theirs again. The easiest thing too is to look at the contraction first and just try it, and you can eliminate it or find out if it's correct very easily. Did you know that they are scorpions that are as long as 12 inches? No, that doesn't make any sense. So we know B is wrong. So we have there are scorpions, their with ownership, or there are scorpions, T-H-E-R-E. Now, up here you can see it's not showing ownership. It's pointing out that there are scorpions there. So the answer is C. And it's also matched with the linking verb are, there are. All right, next one. When they're finished being frosted, the cupcakes need cherries on top. Okay, like I said, easiest thing to do is to go to the contraction they apostrophe re first and see if it's right. So let's do our test. Oop, Mrs. Harshaw. It's right here. Thank you. When they are finished being frosted, the cupcakes need cherries on top. Does that make sense? It does make sense. They are is the correct form. So it was easy to find the answer that time. Didn't take long at all. Because you can use they are and it makes sense. So that's the correct form. Okay, next one. Are there any carrots I can use for my snowman's nose? All right, let's go to they are, the contraction. Are they are any carrots I can use for my snowman's nose? Does that make sense? No. So I've got are there, T-H-E-R, T-H-E-I-R possession, or there, T-H-E-R-E, like position. So it's not showing possession, okay? It's not saying there are carrots. It says are there any carrots. So the answer would be B. Word is matched with the word are, there are. Good. All right, next one. Did their cat always have no tail, or did it have some sort of unfortunate accident? I think this is like the evil cat from the other video. Okay, let's look at they apostrophe re. Did they are cat always have no tail, or did it have some sort of unfortunate accident? Nope. They are cat doesn't make any sense. We have their cat possession or their cat showing position. Well, for this one, it's easy to see that it's talking about a cat that they own. So it's B, ownership. They own the cat. T-H-E-I-R. All right, next one. They're tired of hearing your dog bark, so they bought some earplugs. I feel like that about my dog sometimes. I want to wear earplugs because he barks too loud. All right, let's try our contraction first. They are tired of hearing your dog bark, so they bought some earplugs. Is that correct? It is. It makes sense. So that was an easy way to find the answer. This one, possession, wouldn't make sense, and this one, position, doesn't make sense either. Good. All right, next one. While you are there, pick me up some cheese and a bottle of ketchup. Kind of weird. All right. Try our contraction. While you are they are, pick me up some cheese and a bottle of ketchup. No, that doesn't make any sense. So we have while you are there, T-H-E-I-R, or while you are there, T-H-E-R-E. Now, this is not showing possession. It's not anything that somebody owns. So the answer would be B, while you are there. It's a place. Not here, but there. A location. Okay, this one. The junior ninjas spent hours preparing for their first secret mission. These ninjas are cute. Okay, let's try our they apostrophe re first. The junior ninjas spent hours preparing for they are first secret mission. Nope, that doesn't make any sense. We have to look at these other two. Their possession or their location. Now for this, we can see that it's talking about their mission, the mission that belongs to them. So it is referring to ownership. So we would choose they. We would choose A, T-H-E-I-R. Last example. I hate those squirrels. They're always eating from my bird feeder. All right, let's try the contraction first. I hate those squirrels. They are always eating from my bird feeder. Ah, it makes sense. So we can use they are because it makes perfect sense. There does not make sense because it's not a position, and there is not showing possession of anything. So it's B. They are. T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. All right, little tips to remember. They apostrophe RE is they are. If it makes sense in the sentences they are, it's correct. THEIR is possession. Their house, their clothes, their shoes, their cat. THERE is a position word, a place that's not here, often linked with linking verbs. There is, there was, there are, there were. Okay, that was just a little review for you of how to use there, and there correctly. There will be a 10-question LMS quiz that shows me that you understand how to use these words correctly. All right, that's it for today.